So I'm gonna show you how to change a password. One way of doing it is, if you forgot your password, is to click the forget your password here and type your email address. That will send you an email link where you will reset your password. But if you want to just change the password that you have, you can log in to your account, and under my profile, click update your password. And here you can type new password. If you're not sure what you typed, you can always click this button that will reveal the password, and then just confirm the same password. It has to be at least eight characters long, and anything goes inside. And then just click update password.